Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about low back pain and the things that we do here in the office that help people get the best results. So one of the things that we look at is the muscles that are supporting around the hips and the thighs, that if there is any kind of trigger points or spasming, or those muscles have shut down and are not doing their work, then that's going to affect the integrity of the low back. So one of the things we do is we check whether there is some work that needs to be done there, and we can actually reset that muscle by putting some input into the muscle fibers, both in the belly of the muscle and at each ends of the muscle. Those are called the muscle spindles, and the Golgi tendon organs are in the tendons at the ends of those muscles. And so if a muscle gets overloaded, it'll kind of shut down, and then it stops getting the feedback back to the brain about what's going on there. So when we reset these muscles, it helps the brain get an accurate assessment of what those muscles are doing, so it can then direct those muscles to do the best thing for supporting that part of the body. So that's how we do the resetting aspect. We also know that the whole lower extremity can have an impact on the lower back. And so we may at times assess the integrity of the arches of the foot or the knees or the hip joint itself. And then we can do things to adjust the alignment of those areas so that they are working properly and they're going to support the structure of the pelvis and the torso and the spine. So those are some things that we do so that we get our best results with folks. And if you're curious on whether or not we can help you, we do have a new patient special. You can just click on the link below and find out more about it. And if you do take advantage of it, I look forward to meeting you then.